Hello guys, this is Jacob and this is my kapatid. As you all know, you saw a white boy. This is the white boy. This is my pinsan. Hello, and he's making a YouTube channel. As you all know, this is a different house because we just racing, but I forgot it. We just go here to visit our pamangkins, pinsans, and titos because they live here. Hello! Wait pa. Yeah. Yeah, that's my dad. My dad. Not there. See? Home sweet in Pangasinan! Hello! If you want to see me in Pangasinan, just go to this house. This looking house. If you're late, sorry because we're moving. Well, I'm inside the game. Bruh, why is my sibling like this? Also, I forgot uploading this because my dad, who got hacked in his account, that's why I don't do videos anymore. I made another channel, but it's gone now. No, there's no more videos there. Bro, my you know that I'm in Pangasinan. I live in Valenzuela City. Cedar, Valenzuela City. It's kinda long view.